Hello, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs the Idiot Quilter, and this is a pop-up sew day. Yes, pop-up sew day is coming up tomorrow, Saturday, August the 13th, 2022. It's going to start at about 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and will run approximately until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or until I get bored, whichever. All are welcome. Come, bring whatever you want to work on. It doesn't have to be quilting. It can be any form of sewing, crochet, knitting, paper crafts, art journaling, scrapbooking, underwear drawer organization. Completely up to you. Come and join me, keep me company, keep each other company, and have a really good time because we always do. So that is a pop-up sew day, and it's going to start at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Zoom link is in the show notes below this, and those of you that are on my mailing list will have already received a notification with the Zoom link there. But if you didn't get one of those, just go to the show notes below and you'll find it. Hope to see you then. Tomorrow, Saturday. Did I say that? Saturday, August the 13th. It is August the 13th. Yeah. Saturday, August the 13th, 2022. We'll see you then. Bye for now.